Jah could never give the power to a ballad. So I man see down panny black and I am it. See down panny black and I am it. I man see down panny black and I am it. What going on the world, yeah? Well, I man say greetings, you know. In the name of His Imperial Majesty, King Jesus Christ. Jah! Over Jah, you know. And you don't know, say, Rasta Jawge. I will come to give you some conscious meditations without a charge. Meds. So I man, sit up on the black and iron meds, you know. After I forward back from my little sojourn up into the hills, you dig? As you can meticulously scrutinize, and I have a ton of all these things, so you don't know, and I out in the wilderness with Jah, a whole of meditation. And I forward back, and I really a whole of meds, but what go on in Jamaica, you know? First thing I meds, Rasta, is all these things that go on with the schooling system and them things there, you know? Me them say them say boy, them I give the youth them 7 years in a school right now, fully 7 years. Nothing not gonna change. I mean everybody focus on the youth them and I say what got with the youth them and can the schools them manage and all these things. But when anybody talk about the most important aspect of this thing, Rasta, which are the teachers. The teachers them higher. And I want to know, you know, the song say, I believe the children are the future. Beat them well and let them learn to obey. Or something like that. I want to know, you know, if the children are the future. How the eye them not pay the people them we're supposed to ensure say the youth them future bright. Eh? Why is it the teacher them have to struggle to make them wages, Rasta? And I realize, you know, that you don't want to pay everybody else but the teacher them. You don't want to pay the doctor them, you don't want to pay the lawyer, you don't want to pay the engineer them and all these people, you know. But I want to ask a question, you know. If you don't want to pay the engineer and the lawyer and the doctor and all these people, the big money and all these things, if I never pay the teacher them, how the engineer them with an engine? How them with a learn how to engine, Rasta? If I never pay the teacher them, how the lawyer them with a learn how to lie? If we're going to court and mix up story and all these things. If I never pay the teacher them, how the doctor them would know how to write bad prescription them we can't be reading all these things. How them would know, Rasta? If I never pay the teacher them, only if you get the teacher them due. And you know the funny thing about it, you know, Rasta. And I forward back the other day, you know. And I have two sons, as the eye them might know. One of them named Pride, and next one named Simba. You know, as you know, Pride is a group of lion. And Simba, him are the lion king, the king of the jungle, you know. Some of you them a lion. You dig? So right, you know, I meticulously scrutinize, you know. How the youth forward on with some homework. Because you know the teacher him on the Zoom call and all these things, but him going to school, him get the chance to go to school probably like 2 days out of the week, you know. And he would forward home, you know, and say, Daddy, teacher give the eye some maths homework and these things, you know. And I don't know anything about Rasta Jawge. Rasta Jawge don't go back to school from about primary school, Rasta. So the eye don't know about this trigonometry and geometry and fraction and decimal place and all these things, you know. So when the youth come to me and say, Daddy, him have some homework to show me, some maths and all these things. And I have to look up to Jah. And I wonder, oh, what is them calling upon the eye, Rasta? Confused. When I look upon the youth face, I could see the embarrassment, Rasta. That him father don't know the basic mathematics to survive. And I get I maths from Jah. Any addition or subtraction that I learn is Jah forward from. You dig? But the next thing was kind of upsetting to the eye, you know. But I meticulously scrutinize. When the youth forward back the following day, him get a next homework from his next teacher. But him not forward to the eye. Him go to his mother. And I tell the eye impressor, you know. Him a go write about him era. And they go talk about him father. But based on how him disappointed for the fact that I don't know nothing about maths, him not go talk about him father. Him a go write about Batman. Him a write about Batman as him era. You don't even know the eye, that hit the eye and the eye heart. So the eye just want me the eye them know, so you know. The teacher them due them wages, Rasta. And the words if I do the 7 year thing, make sure someone give them 7 figures.